How y'all doing today? Newbies, DIY, white buff, green compound. We're going to do a steer tire today. Going to get her all shined up and we're looking good and ready to go, right? Newbie
Let's go.
video only, man. We're going to take this ugly looking thing right here and we're going to turn it into this thing. Boom. That's what we're talking about, man. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Just did the steer tire here. And I got to thinking, everybody's always, I don't know, confused about stuff. I guess I was too, and I was just starting out. So I got some old crappy stuff here. I got some brown compound. I got an orange buff for the variable. And these right here I use for steps and stuff. They're kind of tore up or whatever. That's why they're looking kind of trashy. Then over here, I got the green compound, which can go with a yellow buff, or you can use it as a white buff on your variable. And you want that about 1800, 2000 right here. Of course, it's not really white. It's kind of beat up. I've definitely got my money out of it. But the most important thing when it looks like this and you feel it, smooth as a baby's bottom, you're golden. Rough, cutting your fingers, rake it. I don't know why. I see people doing some weird stuff. This thing right here, besides a nut coming loose every once in a while, yeah, it's like, I don't know, $6. I mean, come on, break out your stuff, man, or your beard, or whatever. But just get a rake. They're cheap. But anyway, so speaking of the white buff and some green compound, I figured I would just do a video, a little how-to. I'm rambling a lot more, so bear with me. But this is green compound. GoShineOn.com. It's the only place I buy anything polishing. Mr. Evan, he's the man. So going to take a little green. I'm going to splash it on the white. Well, gray. We're going to show you how we hit this tire here. This rim. Just remember, you got to hang on to these white buffs, man. If you don't, they'll go flying. When you're putting on compound, just until it starts turning green, then you're good to go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can kind of see the green compound on there. So it's pretty simple. It's the same process. A lot of guys don't use the yellow and the green anymore. They get a bigger, like a flannel or one of the big, huge dormant or whatever they call it, 40 ply or 60, whatever it is. But I just get these little simple ones from Evan. So I haven't graduated to the big boys yet, but it's pretty simple. Just do an X like we did before when we cut and colored. You just want to get in between the lug nuts really good on top here and at the bottom. That's just buff's about worn out, but I use it all the time for all kinds of stuff. So there we go. We're going to give it a quick rake real quick. Give it some more compound. And these tires are in really good shape, so they're not crappy. They've never been sanded, none of that stuff. So it makes it pretty easy, really. It comes out pretty nice. You could also get another one, like a purple bar or whatever, to give it. It honestly gives it just a little bit more bling. It's not I don't know. Some guys like it, some guys don't. So it's just preference, I guess. This isn't a show wheel or yeah. It's nothing of that. It's just an old truck. Not too old, but I keep it up pretty good. So Really doesn't take any time either. Pretty simple. If you guys are starting out, just start out slow, man. Get your patterns down, get your pressure, all the good stuff. And then after, I don't know, a while, you'll get everything down and start going to town, man. Makes it, I don't know. I guess it's just instant gratification when you're doing your own stuff. But hey, it's pretty simple. Now, I mean, I know some guys that, I don't know, go bonkers on stuff and whatever, but this isn't a show wheel by any stretch of the imagination. It's just a nice, well taken care of. Um, Looks pretty good, and yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed, man. See you next time. Later, Gator.